Looking for the perfect mattress that adapts to your body and sleeping style? Meet the OFFTRZ 14-inch queen hybrid mattress engineered for comfort, support, and long-term durability, designed with side, back, and stomach sleepers in mind. This mattress features plush gel memory foam to cradle your curves, while 8.5-inch high compression pocket coils offer targeted support where it matters most, especially in the lower back and hips. Its zone support system promotes healthy spinal alignment, reduces pressure points, and helps relieve back pain. Plus, reinforced edges expand your sleep surface and minimize motion transfer, so you and your partner sleep undisturbed, soft yet supportive. This mattress is CertiPUR-US, certified for safety and durability, and backed by a 10-year warranty. Still, unsure? Try it risk-free with a 365-night home trial. Sleep on it for a full year, no pressure. Check it out now. Link in the description below.